and welcome to Project Street Racer Part 2. I thought I'd do an update before I went to the spray booth because I've done a lot of the landscaping. I had to make some major changes, so I thought I'd have a quick talk and before we went spraying. Of course, as you can see, the first major changes, unfortunately I've had to strip all the paint off and I've had to completely gut the car. I wasn't happy with the paint. It was a lot worse than what I thought. We have a saying in the modelling industry, if you have to touch it more than 5 times on one particular area, then it obviously needs stripping. And this whole area here, where there was like some sort of reaction to something, that I just couldn't polish that out, and I was going to strip that bit there and then spray it, but in the past I've done that and it didn't work out too well. So the easiest thing to do is to strip the whole lot off and start again. And sometimes a blank canvas can be a good thing, because I can do the light blocking inside as well, because there's going to be an awful lot of lights in here. And obviously the tail fin as well, I wasn't very happy with that, so I'll be redoing the carbon fibre on that, and that will look much nicer. But I was very pleased with how it came out. So moving on from that, the glass is all ready. That's you can see that's my masking. So all this in between will all get sprayed black. So where you got, that's the actual mask bit by there, and then all this here and around there and all along here will get sprayed black, and the same on the back, and then the whole lot will get a really nice gloss clear coat, which will make it look absolutely beautiful. And of course these are the rear lights. These are ready to be sprayed red, clear red, and then I'll put a lovely clear gloss coat on those. These are the front lights. These will get a nice clear gloss coat as well, and that will make them really stand out and go pop pop pop, as they say. And while we're on the lights, I've now got the lights wired in. These are the headlights, and I've now got 2 sets of these in each one, and these will look really nice. The lights do work, and so yeah, might as well show you the lights, but why not? So we'll see if we can get some lights going here so you can see what the lights will look like. Just quickly wire these. There you go. That's what they'll look like. So that's the headlights. The seats. Yes, I had to demolish the seats a bit. We'll get to that. That's the interior mirror. That'll get a nice coating as well. All this is going to get a grey base and then a black base, or black base and a grey base, depending on which part it is. But yeah, and these are number plates. I thought I meant my own number plates. The other ones I wasn't very happy with. They just weren't doing the job. So that's the number plates, and they'll be sprayed up nicely. And of course the street light itself is now all done. Yeah, well, it's ready for painting. That top bit has been cut off, and I've filled the hole, sanded it all off, and it looks absolutely, really pleased with how that looks. That's just ready for the base now, but that'll probably be in part 4, maybe 5. Staying on the outside, these will be the orange lights, which go here, and here. So I'll just see if I can fit this in. Everything's, so it'll go in like that. It'll fit in like that, and the orange light will go behind it, which I have here. Yeah, so the orange light will go in like that. Yeah. All this will get primed and then black coated. See if we can get this lit. See if we can get some light going on this. There you go. So that's how it will look on the front. That will look really nice, but obviously it needs light blocking and the whole thing needs sorting out. So, but yes, I'm very pleased with that light, and there's two of them, and they'll be going into the front of the car. Moving on to the interior. Unfortunately, I had to strip all the interior as well. I wasn't happy with the paint job, with the acrylic paint job. I thought it would be good enough, but it wasn't, which was a shame really, because the flocking was absolutely gorgeous. I loved the flocking, but the painting was letting it down badly. So, and there was no way I could touch that up or even botch it. So it was just a case of, well, right, let's strip it and start again. I've also taken away part of the bulkhead to accommodate the dashboard, which is here, which is here, and we'll have some. I figured out as well how to do the lights, so we're going to have some lights, as you can see, some lights on the main dash and also on the console, and that'll look really nice. I've had to make some light boxes for those, which took me a while to make, but the whole point of those is I can put a blue light, one of these blue lights, on into the back of there, and that will shine through and give me a nice blue effect, because the interiors, the theme of the car will be blue, so the car will be blue, the interior lights will be blue, and eventually the neons will be blue as well. So there'll be one light going in there, and then another light going in there, and they'll shine through and show the centre console and the cockpit, and it'll look really, really nice. Can also put a bit of a milk carton behind here, and that'll diffuse it, make it a little bit more like a car and not a spotlight. And of course, these are the back-ends for the centre console and also the dashboard, and that's the holes is where the lights are going to fit into. I'll show you that. So the lights will fit into, there's two holes there. There's a small hole on one side, and there's a big hole on the other side, and the same here and there. That light will simply just fit into there like that, and you've got a light on the other side, and that will shine through to the cockpit. And then this one here is for the centre fold. This is the centre console, sorry. And these just need basing up, and then these will fit onto the back. This one here will fit onto, if I can do it, that will fit onto there like that, and the light will go into the hole, and it will shine through. And then the centre console one will fit onto. I'll turn it upside down, but you'll get the idea. Will fit onto there like that, and then the light will go into the centre of it and shine through to the centre console. Just put these back. And the whole lot will look quite nice. It'll be a nice blue effect. I'll just quickly show you the blue light, so you get the idea of just how blue is blue. Reminds me of a song like this, but you know. There you go. That's the blue. The centre console and the dashboard will be, and also the underlights. And they'll look even nicer. Just haven't quite figured those out yet. And of course, there's the steering wheel as well. That'll be sprayed up, more than likely black. But all this will get a base painting first. The girls, I've done a little bit of work on them. There's not much really to see on them. So when I've done more work on them, then I'll show you those. But I'm going to go off now and spray all this lot up, and then see how it turns out. And this will get a lovely new coat of blue, and then I'll do blue in here, do more flocking, and when you see all this lot again, it'll be all finished and ready for the base. So until then, take care and have a nice weekend. Bye now.